Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use glow effect on DaVinci Resolve. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To begin, open new project named Glow Effect and wait for it to load. Once you're in the editing section, navigate to your folder and just simply drag the clip file to your preferred location or position. Place the clip there without making any changes. Now, move to the Fusion section to create the glow effect. Ensure the clip is selected, then press Shift the spacebar and search for merge. Add the merge mode and click on the empty space. Press Shift plus spacebar again and search for edge. Connect the nodes as demonstrated. Mark the glow effect. Then press Shift plus spacebar and search for glow. Make sure it's set to glow only. Connect the glow to the merge node. Preview the glow effect on the clip by going to card section and clicking on full screen. You'll see the glow effect applied. To make additional edits, go back to Fusion, adjust the shine threshold, and spread off the glow, and mark the edge. Set the edge to grayscale edges. Now return to the glow effect. Choose your preferred color. And set it as screen. And add fast noise. Adjust the alpha and the color section. Then go back to noise settings and fine-tune the details, contrast, and brightness. This will complete the editing process. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.